Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session I am going to show you the demo about MQTT protocol. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. Friends, I have here a ESP8266 node MCU with ultrasonic sensor, ultrasonic distance sensor HCSR04. Okay, so uh, 1 minute. Okay, so this is what our ESP8266, as you can see, ESP8266, this is what our Thony Python ID. Okay, and I have here import the mqtt.simple import mqtt client. Okay, so we are going to configure the step by step in next video. In this video I just want to show you demo. Okay, so I have here import HCSR04, which is our ultrasonic sensor. Okay, then this is what our broker, as you can see, server, the broker.emqx.io. this is just a temporary basis online free broker. Okay, so this is what our broker, and this is what our topic test2. This is the function for distance sensor. Okay, then c.publish, which is our topic, and the message is basically the distance. Okay, so which we are going to publish on our broker. So this is what our broker, and I have here a subscriber also. Okay, so this is what our subscriber, as you can see, the subscriber is basically our Raspberry Pi. Okay, so subscriber is Raspberry Pi and publisher is ESP8266. Okay, so subscriber, you all know, I think so friends, import paho.mqtt.client as mqtt. This is what the module we are always use uh, for configuring the mqtt client on Linux. Okay, so paho.mqtt client as mqtt, then define of a message. Then as you can see here, the mqtt broker is broker.emqx.io, which is same on our publisher side on our node MCU ESP8266 site. Okay, so as you can see, the client.subscribe, it subscribe with our test2 topic test2, and it will get the message. Okay, so now what I am going to show you, we are going to not talking more, I am going to just show you the demo. Okay, so let's jump in the demo. So I just want to run the script on our subscriber side. Okay, so that's it. Now run the ESP8266 site, and as you can see, the distance is received by our subscriber. Okay, now I am going to move the object, and as you can see, now it's 6 centimeter. Again, as you can see, now it's 10 centimeter. And friends, also I am able to access this data on my mobile, because this is what our cloud broker. Okay, as you can see, now it's 3 centimeter. So we have successfully configured the broker, publisher and subscriber also. So in next video we are going to configure our Raspberry Pi 4 as a broker. Okay, and I have here Ubuntu machine, which I am going to configure as a subscriber, and node MCU ESP8266, which is our publisher. So we will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.